Hi, this is Rusty Vanneman. I'm Chief Investment Officer for CLS Investments, and welcome to our monthly market review. With us this month is Case Eichenberger, Client Portfolio Manager at CLS. Welcome,
Hi.
Case.
Thank you.
And you're the interviewer, so I'm going to give you the
All
ball.
right, yeah. So we're officially through October now, Rusty. How did the month shake out for our portfolios in the market?
Well, October was pretty interesting. October does have a reputation of potentially being one of the weaker months of the year, and in fact it was. And we did give it back a little bit. We are actually doing this on the last day of the month, so who knows, we get this huge rally going into the end. But it was also the worst month for fixed income in about 3 years. That said, CLS portfolios, we actually did pretty well again this month. We're having a great year. A lot of things still work for us. Even in the international space this month, some of our international holdings did pretty well. So we're having a really good year. And so far, so good.
Good. So a couple weeks ago, CLS had investment committee here in Omaha, Nebraska. Maybe talk a little bit about that, some of the themes that may be shaking out.
Well, I mean, I always hope that every investment committee is the best ever. You know, and I kind of think this one was, don't you think?
I thought so. A lot of good people came in. Yeah.
We had a couple heavyweights. We had somebody come in from Fidelity Management Research in Boston, BlackRock iShares, top people in both those organizations, helping us kind of explore some of our investment themes, particularly X Factor, which is one of our big investment themes this year. But I think it was really good, not only for that discussion, but also talking about our investment themes maybe going into next year as well. And something that's sort of developing, which is already in our portfolios, is this concept of global value. And we've been talking about how for years we favor growth-oriented companies, but now we're starting to favor value-oriented companies. Our portfolios now are tilted towards value. And a couple great examples. So first of all, financials. We've been underweight that for years. We've now gone market weight. Now we're a little overweight. Natural resource stocks. I mean, commodities are still over 60% off their all-time highs.
Yeah, they've been hit hard last couple 4 or 5 years.
So we think there's a lot of opportunity there too. And then, of course, one area, as you know, that we still like is emerging markets. And they've had a phenomenal year, but their 3-year number at the end of last month was still negative on an annualized basis. Remarkable, given that the U.S. markets have double-digit returns. So those are some of the things going on. Now, you're a member of the investment committee.
I am.
And you wear a lot of hats here at CLS. And, of course, client portfolio manager, a huge role. Tell us more about it.
It is a big role. So I came from sales, officially on the PM team now, but really, I see myself as a bridge from the PMs, portfolio managers, to sales. So my job is to be a dedicated resource for the sales team, for advisors, for our clients. I do talk to a lot of them. And really just bring that portfolio manager perspective and the stories and the values we talk a lot about on the PM team to our clients. So just a bridge between the two, back and forth, and it's been a great role.
Yeah. Well, it's been invaluable to not only us on the investment team, but to sales staff, to advisors, to clients. So it's been great. Well, thanks for coming on board this month. We'll have you back.
Thanks.
All right. And thanks for watching the monthly market review from CLS Investments.